Hello YouTube. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to reset Windows 10 password without any software. In this video we're going to be utilizing the Windows installation media. It doesn't have to be Windows 10, it could be Windows 7, Windows Server, Windows 8 or Windows XP. If you don't have the installation media, just download an ISO file from Microsoft, burn it to a CD, and then you should be good to go. So just a summary of what we're going to do here is we're going to access the system with that Windows installation media, and we're going to modify some files in the partition where the Windows 10 is installed, so we can get the command prompt here when we get this window. So let's say we forgot the password and we don't know what it is. So the first thing we need to do is we need to reboot the computer, change the boot sequence of the PC, and start the PC from the installation media. So I already put the installation media in the computer, so I'm going to reboot the PC and change the boot sequence so I can start from the CD. So in my PC I press escape to bring up the boot menu. In your PC it may be F9 or F10, F12. Just play around with it until you get it. So, and then I'm going to select the so let's select the CD-ROM and press enter. So once you get this window here, don't do anything else. Let's just press Shift F10 to bring up the command prompt. And over here, you kind of have to play with the syntax. You need to find out the partition where Windows 10 is installed. In my case, it's on D, I believe. Let's list the folders in this partition by typing dir. And this is where I have my my Windows 10 partition. If you don't know where it is, just play with the syntax until you find out. And once you find out, we're gonna change directory to the Windows folder, and we're gonna change directory to System32 folder. So once we're here, we're going to rename two files. We're going to rename util-man. You can put any name you want, and the command we're going to use for that is ren util-man.exit. And we're going to rename it, we're just going to add a 1 to it. So we're going to rename it util-man1.exit. We're gonna press enter, and we're going to rename the CMD, which is the command prompt over here. We're going to type the same command, ren cmd.exe, and we're going to rename it util-man. So that's gonna be util-man.executable. I'm gonna press enter. So and we're done over here. Now let's just reboot the PC. So let's just close everything out of here and just let the PC reboot. So the way we're gonna bring up the command prompt is we're gonna click over here this button here in the left corner, and now we have this beautiful command prompt right here. And the way we're gonna reset the password is we're gonna type net user, and notice that I have two accounts right here. I have the administrator account and I have the test account. If you don't really want to reset the password here, you can basically just create a new account add it to the administrators group and then just log in with that account and just reset whatever password you need to reset. But in this case, I'm just going to reset the password for the test user. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to type net user and the username test and asterisk, and then we press enter. And over here is going to ask you for the new password. For security reason, anything you type is not going to be shown on the screen. So let's type the new password here. I'm just going to type CSS, enter, and then you need to confirm it. And let's type it again, CSS, enter. As you can see, the command completed successfully. So now if we close these out and let's go back to test user, and then let's type the new password, CSS, and press enter. Notice that we have resetted Windows 10 password. So really cool stuff. I hope you guys like it. And if you have any questions, just put them down below, and I'll make sure I get back to you. Thank you.